Hey there, this is Stacy with WTI. Whether you're a Guinness fan or maybe you know someone that is, then they will definitely love this oven mitt from Guinness. And this is a nice full-length mitt, and as you can see, it goes all the way up my forearm. And I really like it because it's really thick with the padding inside, so it feels really good for when you need to touch those hot pans. It has the little hook right here if you want to hang it up when you're done. And overall, it's just a really nice quality. You can see the thick material here. It's got the quilted pattern on the back. The embroidery is also really well detailed, well made. So this would make an excellent gift for someone that loves their Guinness. Maybe you can't drink it out of the mitt, but this will definitely protect your hands or give them a nice smile. And that's just my point of view.